The streets of Mohanpur were filled with a vibrant display of patriotism today as a grand bike rally was organized as part of the nationwide Har Ghar Tiranga campaign. The event was flagged off by Minister Ratan Lal Nath and saw an enthusiastic turnout of young participants.
The event organized by the VGYM was flagged off by Minister Ratan Lal Nath from the premises of Kamakya Mandir. The rally, a moving celebration of freedom, saw enthusiastic participation from local youth. Riders carrying the national flag rode through the constituency's village lands, paths alongside paddy fields and bustling marketplaces. The event successfully transformed the streets into a vibrant display of patriotism, with every participant sharing a sense of national pride. Bureau Report, Chini, Khorang.